Wait, you're falling for the oldest money trap in the timeline. Sales trick your brain. You buy things you don't need just because they're discounted. Spending shoots up fast. Before buying anything on sale, ask this: would I buy it at full price? If no, don't buy. Save your future money.
Stop! You're losing money without even noticing. Because you rely on willpower, but cartoons know automation always wins. Automate one money task today. Your savings will grow all by themselves.
Why are you blaming your income when your habits are the real problem? Look, tiny daily actions drain your future. Scrolling, impulse food buys, putting things off. They keep you spinning in the fail loop, no matter how much you earn. Fix one small habit a day, just one, and watch your life compound like crazy.
Stop. You're losing money every single morning, and you don't even realize it. Because you start your day reactive, checking messages, scrolling, rushing. Rich people start their day proactive. One goal, one action, no distractions. Try this tomorrow.
Time's up. Every second you hesitate, you lose money.
I'll decide later.
Later means bigger bills, higher prices, missed chances. New rule: any money decision, decide within 24 hours. Decide fast, save more, stay sharp, follow before time costs you more.
Stop! Do you even know where your time went today? Most people lose hours every day, scrolling, switching apps, random tasks, and wonder why they're broke. Track your day in 30-minute blocks, you'll double your productivity and your income.
This is not a joke. If you don't fix this money habit today, you'll be broke for years. Small daily spending feels harmless until it quietly owns your future. Track every dollar.
Right! Your money is disappearing faster than I can roar. Most humans spend on everything, every day, without thinking. Tiny impulsive buys are eating your wallet. Plan one big purchase per week. Stop wasting small amounts daily.
Why are you losing money before the day even starts? Your first hour every morning decides your wallet. Start with phones, snacks, and chaos, and your money disappears. Make your first action something that builds wealth, not destroys it.
You're losing money every morning, and you don't even realize it. You spend before you earn. Coffee, deliveries, random buys, all before making even a single dollar. Follow this rule every morning. Make $1 first, then you can spend one.
Stop! Your tiny impulsive buys are secretly draining your wallet. Every small purchase adds up, silently siphoning your money away. Catch them early, control your spending, and watch your savings grow.
Do you know banks are secretly draining your money every month? Hidden fees, auto subscriptions, lousy interest, it's all quietly chewing up your hard-earned cash. Track every account, block those sneaky charges, and invest smart. Beat the bank before it beats you.
You're losing money every single day without even noticing. Here's the simple habit that stops it instantly. Track just your top 3 expenses. You'll save faster than 90% of people. Want smarter money tips?
Keep choosing convenience, and I'll empty your wallet forever. Fast food, fast delivery, fast spending, slow wealth. Prepare meals, batch errands, delay spending by 24 hours. Follow or keep feeding the machine.
Stop! Why are you buying things you don't even remember 2 days later? Those tiny $3 here, $5 there are draining your savings more than you think. Use the 24-hour rule. If you don't need it tomorrow, you don't need it at all.
Did you know banks are secretly stealing your money while you sleep? Every month, hidden fees, low-interest accounts, and inflation quietly eat away at your hard-earned cash. Most people never notice. Fight back.
Did you know you could be losing $100 every week without even realizing it? Because you spend on tiny stuff every day, but forget to invest in yourself. Skills, knowledge, growth, that's what multiplies your money. Start investing just $1 a day in yourself. Read, learn, practice. Small steps.
Stop wasting money every month. I'm gonna show you a trick that works. Look, most people pay for stuff they don't even use. Here's the secret. Cancel one unused subscription every month. Boom! Your savings start growing instantly. Want more smart money hacks?
Time is money. Hey, do you know someone is stealing your time and your money at once? Every hour you waste scrolling, every delay, every avoided task, it secretly costs you money. Protect your time, limit your screen hours, finish tasks early, and schedule your spending. Follow now.
Wait, why are you letting companies track your spending habits for free? Every tap, every purchase, every tiny buy, they track it, sell it, and you get nothing. Use privacy cards, turn off permissions, and track your own spending, not theirs. Follow for more money tricks they don't want you to know.